Hello there YouTube, we are back finally. After what, 2.5 months after my operation, I am back on the bike again. It's just going to be a short video really, just a quick update, just to let you know how it's going. The arm is still ruined, so I will be going private and getting that sorted that way instead, because NHS just seems to cock up everything. Yeah, they just seem to cock up everything. They forget to send appointments out, they leave you and forget about you, and it's gone downhill. It is bad treatment you get through them, so I've got them private now to get my arm sorted. Yeah, so I hope everybody else has had a good Christmas and Happy New Year. Mine has been spent in recovery. It's not been too bad really, it's just been boring. But for you eagle-eyed viewers out there will have noticed we've now running the Insta360, so we should be able to get some better shots in for our videos going forward. I'm also rocking the new helmet, the LS2 MX701 Explorer. It is in Ultra Grey and Black, I think it's called, the colour scheme. It's a good helmet, it's lightweight, nice and airy, field of vision's good, I like it. It's got the peak on. The only thing at the minute, I fitted the pin lock in it, and I don't know if you can tell on that camera, look how steamy it is at the top. Obviously my fault, I've not fitted it properly, but it was quite difficult to fit. It was I don't know how to explain. It felt like it was the wrong pin lock when I was putting it in, even though it said it was for that helmet. It just felt like it was miles too big for it. Even with the pins fully turned out, it just didn't want to fit properly. I just couldn't get it going, but I finally did it by pressing it down and squeezing it, but it's obviously not done it properly. Needs sorting because I can barely see. It's definitely one that needs sorting out. So I definitely need to sort it out, but I've just got the dark smoke tinted visor to come with. Well, I've got it, it's just been delivered actually, but I thought I'm better off doing a run with the clear one on first. You've got to at least use it once, don't you? You'll also notice I've got the Dango chin mount. It's a good chin mount, it's strong. I've only just got it for this helmet because I didn't want something stuck to it permanently like my other helmet. I don't like the way it looks, but this you can take it off, can't you, and then just have the helmet as is with no camera. If I'm just going out for a quick ride, I can always shove the Insta360 on to catch stuff. I don't always need the GoPro on now, do I? So that was the reason I didn't want a permanent attachment on. It is a very good gripper, it's strong, it's not coming anywhere. You'll have noticed I've also waterproofed my GoPro. I've used some silicone, mouldable silicone earbuds for it, just because I knew it was coming out in the rain. I thought, better safe than sorry. I'm hoping it's done the job, because this weather is bad. I've had enough of waiting. I've done 2.5 months without going out on the bike. I've had all them sunny days over Christmas, and I thought, I'm starting back at work next week. I'm getting out on this bike before I get back, so waiting for the rain to stop could be next September. I had to come out on it. My fingers are freezing. I've only just remembered to turn on the heated grips. I forget I've got them. And these gloves are supposed to be waterproof. They don't feel that waterproof at the fingers, but that might just be because they're so cold. So yes, this year we shall be getting some better content going forward, some better content going. I want to get out and do some bike reviews. We won't do them in the usual way that you see on YouTube. We're not asked about tech specs and everything like that on this channel. We just want to review how the bike rides, how it makes you feel, is it a good bike, would I buy it? They're going to be the type of reviews that we're going to be doing going forward. Not asked about tech specs. If you want to look at all them lot, go and look them up on your own on the internet. We don't do shit like that on here. We're just going to get out there, ride the bike. How does it make you feel? Does it put a smile on your face? Because that's all you're bothered about when you're on a bike, really, innit? Does it put a smile on your face? If the answer is yes, we'll buy it. If the answer is no, it's going to get a thumbs down. I hate wagons. So where was I? So we'll get some reviews going. If I can get some test rides booked and do that on a few different bikes, because I think I will be looking probably to swapping this out some point this year. I'm also going to be getting Mrs. Ride out on the back. We'll go for a couple of adventures this year, this summer. She definitely won't be coming out in this stuff, 100% on that one. And I'm also going to get my daughter out. She's said she wants to come out for a ride on the back, so we'll get Little Ride out on the back. We'll see how that one goes. Start recording. What the bloody hell's going on here? Why is it just done that? Have I not been recording this whole time? Oh, this is going to be fun. What's been going on with that? I saw it was blue before when I was talking to it. Is this just turned off and then it's decided it's going to start itself again? I think we have a lot to learn with this new camera. So yeah, it was just really a quick update, guys. I was just coming out for a ride. I just wanted to get bike up to temperature because it's not been running over that icy spot. I thought we'll get it out, give it a quick run even if it is raining. Try out the new helmet, give you a little bit of an update, and hopefully going forward now I'll be able to start getting some videos out, some better content in them, bike reviews, and that'll be the channel going forward this year. So if you want to see more content, or if you have any ideas of what to show, I think that was my uncle then, he said last time give me a shout out. I'm not sure if it was or not though. But yeah, so let me know in the comments if you want to see any videos in particular, any bikes you think I should go and review. Just let me know and I'll see if I can get them booked in. But thanks for watching. Give me that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye.